What's up vlog? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dawg, you already know. Sorry kung wala tayong vlog for the past couple of days kasi sobrang busy and kasi GCQ na and we have to get back on the grind. So, what happened for the past couple of days? Nothing really, just deliver and deliver and deliver and deliver and deliver and deliver lang tayo ng mga goodies to make some money. The good thing about it is dumating yung piyesa natin from Japan and I'm pretty stoked about it. One is the Recaro Enjoy, pero I think I might sell it. So if you guys want it, I'm gonna be selling it for 15,000. Picture is right here. Kasi binili ko siya thinking na baka makakita ko ng isa pa to pair it up. Pero parang tinamad na ako so I'm just gonna sell it. But we're gonna install the other one, which is the Defi Tachometer for the coupe, since this car has no RPM, right? If napapansin nyo from my videos, yung coupe has no RPM, so we're gonna install the Defi Tachometer. It's pretty rare now kasi mahirap na din humanap ng ganun na Defi. So I'll show you guys later. So right now I'm headed to Radical Creation. That's where I had my SIR refreshed and my EK4 wing painted, remember? From the previous video, okay, Radical Creation. So yeah, we're gonna have it installed there kasi nandun yung electrician si Denver. And yeah, I'm gonna show you around Radical Creation's garage. I heard meron doon magandang coupe na pinipinturahan, so we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna tour you guys sa paint shop niya while Denver is doing his thing on my car. So yep, stay tuned, peace out. You already know Dawg Vlogs, baby. Before you continue on with the video, subscribe, hit that bell icon. You already know, peace out. Alright, off to Radical. Anyways, kung mapapansin nyo guys, on my cluster gauge, I don't have an RPM. Wala masyadong RT yung gauge ko. But so that's why we bought the RPM nga pala. And then, itong gauge doesn't work anymore. Diba? Napaka-simple. Like, this coupe is so nice, but the gauge doesn't work. Why? Don't bash me guys. Kasi, this car came from the US before. Meron siyang restriction. It only goes 100 kilometers per hour. So pag 100 siya, stable lang siya sa 100. And then para mawala yun, me and my mechanic broke the speedometer thingy. And now wala na siyang limit. I can go as fast as I want now. So yun. And pag kung magko-comment kayo na why don't I just buy a cluster gauge, kasi parang ayoko na eh. You know, the car is fine. The car is so reliable. The car is working really good. Walang problems. Ang mahalaga, the temperature works and the gasoline gauge works. And we're gonna be installing my tachometer pa. So that's it. I don't even need to see like how fast I'm going, diba? Baka ka mabas nyo ako like, hey, nice coupe, but your gauge doesn't work. So yun, I have the tachometer sa back seat. I'll show you guys later pagdating natin doon. We're almost there. So this is where Radical Creation lives, and this is where the garage is located. Medyo rough road, pero we got coilovers. It's all good in the hood.
Wow!
Okay, we are here. Radical Image Creation na dapat yan eh. I don't know, it doesn't change it yet. Oh. Alright, so we are here.
Got my friend.
Uy, ano yan?
Milk and Max. Ganyan dito. Milk and Max, no rig. Tinatalo pa lang namin.
Pero Oregon diba?
Oregon.
Putsa! Alam mo sabi ni Eric, yung daw ang panlinis.
Yeah.
Yung Strapsol, diba? Forma ng Pajero, kanina yan. Denver is the man. Tapos ka na magawa?
Oo, yan ah.
Sige. Ito, kakabit na natin. Ha? Hindi, GA16 lang. Kaya ako papalitan to, napaka...
Ay, nasarap ang antena. Galing.
Napakasarap gamitin.
Walang sakit sa ulo.
Walang sakit sa ulo, tapos automatic, matipid. Ito yung Defi. Pakita natin guys. Kadadad lang niya kahapon. So ito yung tachometer natin. Defi. With the shift light. Yun. Kasi kung ako nagkabit niyan, sunog ang makina dude. Pero sa race car ko, dyan lang namin kinabit. Tinext kita kahapon eh.
Kasi yung aking cellphone ay wala. Wala lang.
Ah.
Maling number pa. Wala naman yun.
Anong dala mo yung Corolla?
Corolla. Saan kaya rin ano? Posisyon.
Wait. Bagong kabit yung makina? Suabe, B18. Bagong headers. Pero nung SIR. What's up, my man? What's up, bro? Ooh. Wala na, ang SIR na pula. Nandun na doon sa bata. Ito guys, I'll show you. SI Coupe. Ayan guys, medyo madaming kalasin pag magkakabit ng tachometer. So, natap na namin. There we go. Defi
Park lights.
park light. Nice. Check out my friend's Honda Jazz. Panoramic roof. Check it out. Solid din. Carbon. All the panels here. Check out the roof. Video natin so you guys can see. Damn. Kung mga fans kayo ng jazz, that's what you could do to your jazz. Nice. All wired up. What's up vlog? So I'm back home. Inabot na ako ng gabi na empty ako kanina so I didn't get to vlog right after the installation. So right now we got my Defi installed and I'll show you pag start natin kung ano itsura niya. It's pretty cool. This is a rare piece and I'm glad I got it. Where's my keys? Patayin natin yung ilaw. Nice, pretty nice. Yan. Medyo madilim lang guys, sorry kasi inabot ako ng empty kanina and I didn't get to vlog the whole thing. Naubos yung battery sa time lapse. So epic. So it's pretty cool. Meron din siyang remote to set the rev limit for the shift light. So right now sinet ko siya at 5,000, so when I rev it, it lights up at 5,000 RPM. Look. Alright. You can set it to any RPM you want. Let's go. Let's set it at. See? Oh, you can change the light. Dim, dimmer, bright. Oh, actually ngayon lang ako nagkaganto guys, so I'm just trying it out. So this is the light pala. There. So naka-dim siya. Dimmer, dimmest, pinaka-dim. There we go. 4 stages of dim. 1 bright, 2 3 4 5. Ooh, 5 6 stages of brightness. Pretty cool. So this one I think I'm just gonna mount it somewhere here, kahit double-sided lang, for the module. And let's check out kung paano i-adjust yung RPM. So this is the light. See yun, 5,000 RPM. So if you want to set it, I'm just pressing buttons guys. There's no manual. Basta yun, kanina we changed it already. There we go. 6,000, you just have to hold the remote. Pwedeng 7,000 cut off nung shift light. Nah, 5,000 lang tayo since my car is an automatic, so goods na yan. There we go, but still it's nice. Where's the light? I hope you guys could see. Kasi nasa garage na ako, it's pretty dark here. So yep, medyo matagal siya in-install kasi very, what do you call that? Yung friend ko maselan din, doesn't wanna like break anything, tas gusto niya malinis lahat, even the wiring. So pag nakita nyo, it's like OEM wiring, it's like nothing was tampered with, basta ang ganda, ang linis. So yan, thank you guys so much for watching. And of course, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You already know guys, Dawg Vlogs. And we got a care package here from Ever Since, and we're gonna box it inside the house. So yep, let's go. Okay, so we're back in my editing room and we're gonna unbox. We're gonna open the care package from Ever Since. Hi Anisha. Hi. We got the package right here. Whoa. Oh, we got some stickers. Nisha, look at the sticker. What's that? Jollibee. We got some stickers. 3 shirts. I'm gonna put the cam here so I can unbox it. Here we go, here we go. Alright guys, so here's the goodies. Stickers. Ooh, look at that. We have a lot of stickers here from Ever Since. If you guys want some goodies from Ever Since, just check them out on Facebook. Oh, sorry. No. Yan. Oh, look at that. Support local, do not fake it, guys. Much love from Dawg Vlogs. Thank you so much, Ever Since. Amazing. One more. Oh, got more. Oh, this is pretty cool. Super Shash. Check them out on Facebook. Ito mga to, they get nice shots from like film cameras and stuff. So yeah, let's check out the shirt. Ooh. We're gonna do a separate content for that. Get a photo shoot of all the shirts, even from Safe. So we got 3 shirts from. Oh, what's this? Oh, nice bag. Nice bag. Yeah, it's a nice bag. Look at that. Like, let's show the tag. Shit, that's lit.